After then making that video for you guys. This video, I don't own any copyrights to it because there's music in the background. And I'm at EG's right now. And I'm gonna...
I think it could go in, but look, there's Whataburger. Lisa loves Whataburger too.
And I'm about to act like I'm snoring sleepy. And I want to see the drivers where your cars there. Guys, it's gonna be scary. Alright guys, I put you guys down right here on the side of the car because so you can see the person in the drive-thru. The reaction of me snoring, sleeping loud. Wait guys, let me see if you can see. Yeah, it's good. Oh, like this. Okay, guys. Whoa. Okay, guys. You guys listen to. Okay, guys.
What?
This is gonna be really scary. Guys. I'm really weird right now. Alright, guys, I'm gonna be like this. And then that's like I'm snoring, like. I'm doing like that. It's gonna be super hilarious. So, right when we go to the drive-thru, and be like. It's gonna be really hilarious. Stay tuned. The line is not moving now. I'm gonna get EG's and prank someone because I wanna prank the drive-thru person and I wanna get EG's because it's hot. Guys, look at the sun. Just look at how hot it is. I don't know if you can see the sun, but it's super hot. It's like burning, freezing hot. So the reason why I'm gonna get EG's because I have a grill, as I mentioned in the other video, and I was making my own Mexican drink. Yeah. And we're gonna eat EG's, and grill, and yeah. Guys, you get the idea. Okay, guys, my mom's gonna order watermelon pineapple splash. Whoa.
It's the same one. I'll get another one. Oh.
Peanut and the other one? We're gonna get piña and another thing.
Strawberry, huh?
Yeah, piña and strawberry. Hopefully you guys can see the front of the drive-thru. And I'm gonna be right here, acting like I'm sleeping, snoring like. I'm gonna be like that, guys. Guys, this place is like the most obvious place. Just the drive-thru just right here, and the person is gonna see the camera because like it's just so noticeable right here. Like, so noticeable. Guys, look how much birds there are. And it's okay, guys, so that's the front, and we're gonna see The camera's right here. So I think they're definitely gonna see the camera, but you don't know until you try it, right? Guys, I'm right here. Oh, save the camera.
It's gonna have a party pack.
25 people or 50 people?
50.
Okay, what flavor would you like?
Piña and strawberry.
Okay.
That's all.
So go to the window.
Thank you.
Alright guys, let's see the reaction. Guys, hopefully you guys can see. I'm gonna be acting like I said, snoring like I'm sleeping. This is gonna be really hilarious. Let's just start it. Guys, it's just right there. So they're just behind this car, and it's right there. Wow. Oh shoot. I'm recording one. Oh no.
What, baby?
Oh, nothing. Not the video. Guys, I am so nervous. Wait, could you guys see this part? Guys, I'm gonna have to record wrong again so you can guys see. Okay, yep. Pretty good, pretty good. And put the seat up. First I'm gonna do this. Whoa. Guys, the seat is super up. Whoa, guys. I just did it so you guys could see me right here with the camera. I'm gonna be this looks so uncomfortable. You're not gonna. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Come on. I don't want it to be. Feel so uncomfortable. Okay, guys. Hi guys, I have to start practicing. Guys, I'm gonna be like this the whole time. And act like I'm snoring. It's gonna be crazy! The line is so slow, guys. Guys, I have to start acting like I'm singing. Guys, that's how I'm gonna be snoring. Right after this car moves up, I'm gonna start. So be tuned for this car to move up. Guys, you can see the reaction. I don't think they're gonna react, but okay. Okay. Is the car ordering the whole store or something? Oh, it almost moved up. It's moved up. Okay. That's how I'm starting now. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, you have a party pack strawberry finger? 27.60.
Is it the large one? Thank you.
Just 1 second, okay?
Guys, that was crazy. Guys, when we leave, I'm gonna be like, peace. No, I'm saying IBPE. When we leave. Guys, I'm gonna be like, IBPE.
Is this one for 50 people?
He said also for 50 people. Guys, grab only what we said for 50 people. Hand sanitizer. What everybody's fighting for. Guys, I can't wait to say peace, IBP. Guys, I don't know if you guys are seeing that. Guys, this is the video, and I don't know what else to say. It's taking so long. Guys, I literally have the camera like on the door. Like, no joke. She's coming. IBPE.
Here, you want me to take it outside?
No, I could grab it right here.
IBPE.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Here, baby, hold
Yeah,
it.
have a great day.
You too.
IBPE. Guys. Okay, guys. I don't know if you saw that whole entire video, but it was hilarious. And at the end, I said IBPE. If you guys don't know what IBPE is, subscribe to Island Boys Productions. And if you don't know how to spell that, just put IBP. And you could also subscribe to Island Boys. They have 2 channels. Subscribe to them. They're really cool. Peace, guys. See you next time. Have a great day.